to today's adventure. Just driving down to the base of Macquarie's Pass, where I'm gonna meet up with my friend and we're gonna car shuffle our way up to the start of the canyon. It is looking pretty overcast today. We've had some rain this morning, which was as per forecast, but from this point on it's just meant to be pretty much cloudy and no further rain, so fingers crossed it stays that way. So after a half-hour hike in, we are finally here at the falls. So time to get changed, gear up, and begin the adventure. To the second abseil.
So with this abseil, I thought I'd take you guys through the steps. As we approach the bolts, first thing we're just going to secure ourselves with our personal anchor system before we start setting up the abseil.
Bolts are in pretty good nick.
As I set up the abseil, I'm really trying to keep in mind rope management here. Since this is a waterfall abseil, really want to try and minimize the amount of rope that's floating around or moving down at the bottom of the falls, just to avoid any snags or getting stuck with the rope down the bottom, and then obviously that can create some problems. So once I feed enough through just to get to the bottom, I'll throw the bag over, and that really minimizes the rope that's down the bottom waiting for us.
It's a good idea because you're on a waterfall. The more you have on you, the more the water is going to be a pain in the ass, so pack off.
So as you just heard, we're going to take our packs off just to reduce the surface area, which will reduce the effect of the water on us as we're going down, making us a little bit more streamlined and a little bit more stable. So here I'm just setting up my descending device, double checking everything, making sure I'm happy. Once that's done, I'll disconnect my personal anchor system, always keeping one hand on the brake strand. You'll notice I don't have any auto block or third hand device for the abseil, and that's because we're going down water, so the risk of something jamming and getting stuck in the water and potentially drowning with this one is greater than just falling into a deep pool below.
First two done and dusted. How many are there? I think about 5 or 6 in total. one's just over there. There it does. Might set up the fancy fiddlestick smooth operator thing on this one actually. I'll show you. But first, some food. Nice and easy. Single strand's a lot faster. So as Russell's going down, I'm just watching the smooth operator here and make sure that it's not going to go into any rocks or anything like that. So at the moment it looks really good, hung out into space, and even if he pulls a lot to the right or the left, I don't think this will hit it. So pretty happy with this. It's staying in the middle. Looks good. Happy with the safety. So then when I abseil, I'm gonna have my pack on, and I'll probably either throw this down, throw the strand down to Russell, the cord here, and just get it out of the way, or I'll just clip it onto my harness and just have it feeding off to the side. So I can copy! So he's off rope. So it's time to get set up. One more look at the knot here, happy, in the middle, and down we go, locked in. Yep. Awesome. That worked really well. Good bit of kit. Do you wanna, here's a carabiner, pop on your another two-parter. Chains over there, then there's some chains, like 2 sets of chains. One set of chains down there, and another set of chains. So now it's just really quite slippery for him right there, because the river obviously runs through the bottom, and all that rock is super slippery. slippery right now. Nice one! Alright, Russell's on rope management. Now I believe the jump rock. Simply stunning. It is so beautiful down here. I've done this canyon, I think this is my third time, 3 times in the last month and a half or 2 months or something like that. And I will come back here tomorrow and ride. How can you beat this? So awesome. Whooshka! Alright. Nice see you down there. Hey! Very good. A little bit of walking now, and then I think a few more slides or jumps to go, but I think all the abseils are done. Just arrived over Creek Junction, which joins the main canyon, and we're going to take the wetsuits off, chuck everything in the packs, and then there's a trail out there somewhere which we're going to hike out and back to the cars. So end the video here. Thanks for watching, thanks Russell for joining. Pleasure to be here. Always so sarcastic when on video. And see you guys in the next one.